Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Adventure Boat. My name is Kelly. Today, Trevor is getting a brand new, and not brand new to him, brand new to everybody. Today is the official launch of the Thinkware F200 Pro. Now this is a HD 1080p front and rear camera. It's going in his 4Runner. It's happening right now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Trevor and I are both getting brand new dash cams for our trucks. And we're getting these for two reasons. One is to supplement our video for our adventures. You know, having a camera front and back will actually help out quite a bit with our recording of our adventures. And two is for safety for collisions.
Yeah, collisions, accidents, just driving around. I've got a long drive every day. I see a lot of crazy things where I'm like, man, I wish I had that on film.
This is the Thinkware dash cam, and this is actually a brand new camera that is just releasing like today actually. This is the F200 Pro, and this is a front and rear camera system that is totally controlled by your phone. All right, let's see what's in the box.
Do it.
The Thinkware Dashcam F200 Pro is a 2-channel dashcam. The front and rear camera are both 1080p full HD. There is a time-lapse feature. The night vision capabilities of this camera are supposed to be second to none. If you use the hardwire mounting kit, you actually get a parking surveillance mode with impact and motion detection. The F200 Pro also has a slew of road safety warning systems. It comes with a 128 gig SD card. Step one is going to be mounting the camera behind the rearview mirror centered on the windshield.
Install the front camera, super easy. Mount has 3M tape on it, just slides right on. You want to place it to the left of the mirror. The camera is still going to be center line. Everything is going to be hidden behind the mirror, and you're still going to have access. The power on top, the rear camera is going to mount to the side, SD card on the bottom. Very accessible, very easy to work on. These long ass nails, I still can't get it. That's really.
Wait, can you do it again?
Nope.
Don't mess this up, you got one chance.
God, I think that's level and everything. Power is on top, video input right on the side. They also have a GPS accessory that you can add into if you like. We got a little Thinkware accessory trim tool. I like to call it the tucky tool. And now we're just going to tuck the cables up on the headliner going down the side over to the OBD2. There's not a lot of clearance between the headboard and the side trim piece, so I'm actually going to pull it a little bit just to get it across, make it a little easier. And it should be just pulling, and there's a clip on the top, and hopefully the airbag doesn't blow up in my face. Yeah, for running two cables, it's actually really easy.
Yeah,
there's plenty of space in there. And these aren't thin cables either, so it's kind of nice. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
So you're saying you've got a huge gap?
Yeah.
Are you going to pull the whole cell?
No, I shouldn't have to pull anything because I'll tuck it on the inside.
Yeah, you will.
Carpet.
You mother tucker.
So OBD2 just plugs right in. And there's actually a gap behind this panel here, so you can really just kind of tuck the additional wiring back there. If you want to zip it tight and make it look pretty, go for it. But now, super easy. We're just gonna tuck it under the sill all the way to the very back.
Insert a memory card.
Apparently wants a memory card.
Let's give it one. Oh. Takes the micro
Insert
directly
a
in.
memory card.
Even better.
Memory card ejected. System will restart.
And
Rear
everything.
view camera disconnected.
Oh, it tells you everything. That's cool. Hope it doesn't talk to me while I'm driving. Or maybe
Driving is subpar.
Yes.
All right, let's finish that back camera.
Yep.
Every vehicle is going to route differently going from the front camera to the back camera. So just understand what your vehicle is and how it's going to route through. Have a plan before you start just plugging things in, because you would hate to get halfway through and realize that you can't do what you want to do and have to redo it.
We had a plan.
We had a plan.
I did.
We planned this.
Totally planned it.
Right now, Trevor is basically just getting the cable tucked under between the plastics and the carpet, kind of rudimentary, just shoving it in with the tool, and then he's going to route it up the side to the top of the tailgate.
We have the wire routed to the top corner of the 4Runner. However, because the window rolls down, you can't just stick it to the glass, because you roll it all the way down, it's just going to come right off, or worse, mess up your rear window. So what we're going to do is mount it to the hard plastic on the bottom and route the wire around. But I'm going to leave this loose, mount the rear camera, and then finish the wiring from there. We downloaded the app, and it's really easy. You don't have to go through and search anything. It's compatible with Apple and Android devices, and they have different QR codes depending on what device you're using. You just scan it with your camera, brings up the app shop, and hit download, and you're good to go. You do have to have connection with the camera to do any of the settings. You can access files and stuff like that that you've saved, but for any of the settings and everything else, got to turn it on. I guess I could just turn the switch on. I don't know why I turned the car on.
You want to show
Yes.
how powerful your engine is?
Vroom. All right.
Continuous recording will now start.
Okay. All right. So activate. All you have to do is press the Wi-Fi button on the dash cam and connect.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
So once you hit the Wi-Fi button, it tells you to connect to Wi-Fi through your device. Go ahead and connect, and then it asks for a password. Do you have the password?
Yeah.
Yep.
Ready?
Go ahead.
It's 1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
3,
All right.
4,
How many does it go to? I get it.
9.
9? Oh my God. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Connect. Oh, I had 4 twice. That's why.
God, you had one job.
One job. On my device, it said that there's no internet connection via the Wi-Fi. You're just connecting to the camera. So just hit OK, and that way you can change your settings and everything, and then go back to your normal settings.
Connected to a smartphone.
Yes, you are.
Disconnected from a smartphone.
Why? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. It says connected. All right, here we go. Upgrade for safety camera data is complete.
Firmware update. At least that's getting done.
Yep. It said that the camera was then updating, and then it shut off. So what I'm assuming happened is that after we updated through the app, then it updated the camera from the phone. And it should all be good. Now we'll turn the Wi-Fi back on. Now on here we can have our dash cam settings, info, connection settings, and then our files list. Then we also have live view. Saying to adjust lines, but I don't know how. I mean, that's...
Oh, I want you to move the camera. Blondie.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, tilt the camera to adjust it to the...
Ah, I gotcha, I gotcha. Because we had it centered, the blue line didn't have to change on the windshield. However, the green line is your hood line. We just had to get the tilt so that is matching up to the front of the hood. And then we can go to rear. And there's the back.
That's the ceiling.
Yeah, we can try to tilt that down a little bit more.
We got the rear camera aligned. Let's go check out the video. Trevor got us some bonus Black Hawk video. The image stabilization on the camera is excellent. It's almost like a GoPro. It does not hardly move at all. I'll fast forward through this section here so you can kind of see how much movement there actually is in the camera. The rear camera is actually really good. The image quality is good, the stabilization is good. Trevor's back window is really heavily tinted, so it's having to work through a lot of tint to get this video. It's impressive. Now what I'm most impressed about is the night video. It is really, really clear. Even that is pitch black desert, and that's his brights and his ditch lights. And you could see that it's picking up a lot of what's going on around him. Alright guys, that was the full install of the Thinkware F200 Pro dash cam front and rear 1080p super high quality HD cameras.
That's impressive that you got that all out.
I got it all out in one try.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, super impressed with the camera. It's nice and clear. It has a good wide field of vision. Easy install.
Yeah, it actually wasn't bad at all. Trevor and I were actually worried that routing the cable all the way from front to back might be difficult, but that tool, actually just being able to tuck it behind the plastics and the carpet, it actually worked great.
Yeah, but I mean, plenty of cable, tucking the whole thing, super easy. I honestly almost didn't want to do it. I'm like, oh man, this is gonna be so much work.
Yeah. Honestly, the hardest part was the firmware update.
Yeah, the firmware. It took a little bit of time, only because if your car is not on, it eventually will shut off even when it's on the on position. Yeah. It actually has to be running to make sure that the camera stays on, because camera has to be on for the firmware update. Took a couple times to figure it out, but we got it.
That and the whole password thing that someone couldn't figure out.
I gotta change that. Now everybody knows my password.
Man, I am really looking forward to seeing the video quality from our trips with this new front rear camera always recording, and hopefully it does really well.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be great, you know, showing our trails and adventures. I think it's also gonna be great, instead of calling people up and telling them like a crazy accident that I saw on I-10, I can just send them video now. Like,
perfect.
Yeah.
All right guys, as usual, thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, remember to subscribe, follow us on IG, adventurebuilt_. See you guys next time.
Peace.